Hey guys, so today we're at the CNE in Toronto, the Canadian National Exhibition, and we're about to play the bottle flip game, where Polka Dot is about to win. He's really good at the game. He's gonna play. He's gonna give it away to some random suspecting child. We're gonna get a giant prize. Walk through the midway and find somebody who doesn't have a sibling and give them a prize. So let's go have some fun and bring some joy to a child's life today.
Everybody check it out.
How to win the bottle up game. He already won the Husky here. He already won the Husky. He's playing for a second. Look at that! Woo! Winner, chicken dinner. Oh my god. Oh no, he lied. Amazing. Now he's going to give it away to somebody. He's going to give it away to a lucky person.
The thing is, I gotta find a single child. I can't do it with brother or sister. That's not a good time.
So he's gonna give it away. Put the bottle up, lean a bit to the right. He did it. He won. So he got this Husky and he's gonna give it away. He's gonna give it away to somebody now.
Alright, let's go.
How awesome is this? So he won this prize and he's gonna give it away to a random.
That's the brother. She's mad.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome everybody. Okay.
All day there's been hundreds of kids.
I know. Hey guys, welcome.
Where's a single?
Single child.
Hard to do like more than one child with one prize.
Yeah. Welcome everybody. I don't know what's going on.
There's like no children here.
Yeah, let's keep rolling.
Want to take a picture of it? Yeah, absolutely. Want to get a picture holding it? Alright. I'll be like the TV, $5. Perfect. Residual income.
Hey guys.
It's over.
Yeah,
They're gonna get him.
That's for you, bud.
Thank you so much. Oh my god, that's awesome.
Thank you, guys. Good job. All right, guys. Have a good one.
There you go.
Please like and subscribe so I can share more cool and unique finds with you.